The three axes. A woodcutter climbed a tree by the side of a river. He started chopping the biggest branch of the tree. As he was cutting, his wooden axe fell into the river. The poor woodcutter felt very sad, for he earned his living by selling the wood cut from the trees in the forest. He had no money to buy another axe. So he jumped into the river and tried to look for his axe. After a long time, he came out of the water. He was very upset because he had not found his axe. God felt bad that such a hard working man was looking so sad. He sent his angel to help the woodcutter. The angel saw the woodcutter sitting by the river and crying loudly. He felt pity on the poor woodcutter. The angel decided that he would test the honesty of the woodcutter and then help him as God had wanted him to. The angel came out of the river and said, "Dear woodcutter, I know that you have lost your axe. Take this axe." The angel showed the woodcutter a silver axe, but the woodcutter said, "This is not mine." "So what? This silver axe is expensive. It will help you," said the angel. "I am a woodcutter and I need an iron axe. Moreover, how can I take something which is not mine?" asked the honest woodcutter. The angel again went inside the water and this time came out with a golden axe and offered it to the woodcutter. But the woodcutter refused, saying, "This golden axe is not mine. I can't take it." The angel then went down again in the water. This time he came out with the woodcutter's axe. The woodcutter was overjoyed and he said, "Oh, thank you. This is my axe. I can take this. Thank you for finding it." The angel said, "God had sent me to help you, but I wanted to test you for your honesty. So I offered you the silver and golden axes. However, you are not a greedy man. I am very happy with you. You are very honest. Take all these three axes. It is a reward for your honesty." The angel added. The woodcutter happily took the three axes and thanked the angel.